Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to cash in to GCash using various methods such as bank, remittance, over-the-counter, and online banking. So step 1, open the GCash app and tap cash in from the home screen. Step 2, choose your method. Bank transfer online. Select your bank and follow the prompts to send money to your GCash number using InstaPay or PesoNet. 2. Remittance, such as Western Union or MoneyGram. Tap Remittance and enter the reference number to claim funds. Number 3. Over-the-counter. Choose options like 7-Eleven, Palawan, or Cebuana. Get a barcode and show it at the branch to load funds. And 4. Lastly, online banking linked. If your bank is linked, you can transfer instantly using the linked account feature. Step 3. Confirm the transaction and wait for your GCash wallet to reflect the updated balance. Now, you know how to cash in to GCash using the method that fits for your needs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.